Hello all, how are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. We have been seeing from past 3 weeks the tech sector stocks are going down. Few stocks going down from 20 to 50 percentage. If you see Snowflakes, it is 20% down. The video gaming company Unity is about 37 percentage is down. Other than that, StickSpeaks, it is also almost 40% down. Lemonade, the company Lemonade also is down for around 35 percentage. Other than these tech stocks, the EV stocks like NIO company, it is almost 50 percentage down. So what is going across these companies? Maybe the sector, maybe the tech sector has grown up a lot, but whoever come or whoever log into these companies at high point, their portfolio got impacted a lot. So from this we need to learn. So one important point that came to mind is how to protect these kind of portfolios. So we can protect only by diversifying our portfolio. What is the diversing of our portfolio? So diversification is having different kind of stocks or different kinds of investment options in our portfolio is called diversification. If you take in our own portfolio, we have 10 stocks. In that, we have 4 big company stocks, 4 medium company stocks, remaining 2 small cap stocks in our 10 list. Is that the diversification? It is not really the diversification in our portfolio. It is diversified only for stocks, and it is up to our own risk. Again, the 10 task will not give the standard diversification or standard stability for our portfolio. So what the diversification means, having our funds across different areas, I mean from stock market, bonds, or from real estate, gold investment, etc, etc. So we need to investment all our funds in different way. It is called the diversification. Not just having 10 stocks in our portfolio is not the diversification. So I was thinking how to diversify our portfolio mainly. So when I think about this, there are 2 points that came to my mind. One is diversification, another one is keep our stocks long term. We cannot expect returns in a day or two in the stock market. So for get success in stock market, 2 important things are diversification and long term. 2 D's, D squared. There is no additional shortcut to get the money quickly in stock market. So we need to learn from these ups and downs, and we need to build our portfolio like that. So if you take mainly, what is meant by diversification? Diversification can be classified by using asset classes. One is stock market, right? In that stock market, how it will be diversified further? You can take small cap stocks, medium cap stocks, and large cap stocks. That is one kind of diversification. On top of that, we need to have the stocks by sector. For example, pharma sector stocks, retail sector stocks, and tech sector stocks. Like that, we need to diversify our stocks in different industry wise and also by capital market capital size. So if you are investing money in large cap companies, we will get the returns low, and if you invest money in medium and small cap companies, we can get the more investment, but the risk also will be more. So we need to think what kind of risk suitable for us in our portfolio. So that is the important major thing. Before we invest anything, we need to think. So for our audience, I made diversification in three ways. One is simple diversification, second one is medium diversification, and third one is the large diversification. So in simple diversification, you guys make sure to invest your funds in S&P 500 and in bonds. That is one thing. And when it comes to medium diversification, so in medium diversification, we should allocate our funds in S&P 500, small cap companies, and also large cap companies, and bond 10-year yield bond companies. So in these things, or in companies or in ETFs, you can invest. And when it comes to advanced diversification, so in advanced diversification, you should have your 25% of your portfolio value in S&P 500, and minimum 20% of your fund in bonds. So bonds could be in ETF or treasury bonds you can buy. So these always invertible. I can say that if stock market is go down, bonds will go up. If bonds rate will go up, stock market will go down. So these two are always like that. So we should have our portfolio 25% in bond, 25% in S&P 500, so that our portfolio will be having more stability, and remaining 50% we should invest in small cap ETFs, large cap ETFs, and also in real estate, and also on your own stocks, so that we can get different ETFs into our portfolio. This makes our portfolio secure than any other thing. So do we have really that much money to invest in all these things? Yeah, we should have it. If you have Robinhood account, you can use that $1,000. If you have $1,000, you can divide that we can divide with money. Any shares in Robinhood we can buy with the money value. So you can invest that $1,000 in different ways, so that our portfolio will be long stable, and which will be strong enough, and it will not impact for these ups and downs. Is it really not impactfully? No. Any portfolio will affect during the steep market sell-offs, but it will give more stability. That means instead of, for example, if I take few portfolios, it gone almost 50% in these 3 weeks. What it means? Are they really good portfolios? No. So that means something wrong in our portfolio selection, or we need to rebalance them. So when we need to rebalance the portfolios every time, so usually you should have that you need to change your portfolio for every 6 months to 1 year, and make sure that once you get 5 to 10% as of amount, you need to make sure rebalance your portfolios according to the market needs and the different requirements what you needed, so that your portfolio will be in stable condition, and it will give returns what you expected. So try to think in this way and secure your portfolio. So these diversification methods I told, right? Simple, medium and large. What kind of stuff we need to buy, I will update in our description of the video. Please check them and make sure to invest that much money in that kind of diversification, so that it will give more stability for our portfolio. Thank you guys.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share, like, comment our video. Please subscribe to our channel My Telugu Shop Pickle.